Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the moon phase soulmate video trend using a TikTok effect. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you've been following some trend on TikTok, you will know there was a soulmate video trend which came out on TikTok where you needed to go on a website, find the moon phase, and then you could basically create a video out of it. The good news is TikTok has now created an effect where you can basically do all this in the app itself. So let me show you how you can create the moon phase soulmate video trend on TikTok. So to create this video trend, you want to first open up TikTok. Next, you want to tap on search, and here you're searching for moon phase test. Now in the search results, within effects, you're looking for this effect here, moon phase test. It looks like this. So for those of you who cannot see this effect, you need to either update your TikTok or you'll have to wait until TikTok releases it for everyone. Now, once you're ready to use this effect, go ahead and tap on use this effect at the bottom. Now here, you want to go ahead and select the birth date of the first person and then the second person. And now once you're ready, tap on record. And now this will create the moon phase video trend on TikTok using that effect. And there you go, that is how to create the moon phase soulmate video trend using the TikTok effect. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.